Hello.
I
Hello.
think yeah, hello. I think
सॉरी
भूपेंद्र जी
मैं
शायद
फिर
बीच में
राइट
कनेक्ट
राइट
डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए थे. या
फिर से मैं बोलूं कि हेलो
ओके.
एम आई ऑडिबल
या यू आर ऑडिबल.
Masooma Musa ji, partner Fancy Glass Store, past graduation in the business management from Tirpude College and then Tata Parsi Girls High School. Now currently it's the glass showroom in prime location and glass factory in Nagpur. Please hand over to Masooma ji.
Hello.
Yeah,
Am I
Masuma ji, you
audible?
can start. Yeah,
Yes.
completely.
Am I audible? Yeah.
Yeah, you are
Good
audible.
morning, Sampark. Yes. Good morning, Sampark. I'm Masooma Musa from Fancy Glass Stores. Um, Hello.
Yeah, Masuma ji, you can continue.
Yeah,
You are
yeah.
audible.
Fancy Glass was established in the year 1960s. We have presence all over central India. Currently, we have three showrooms in Nagpur and one in Raipur and one glass warehouse in the heart of the city near Itwari railway stations. Next, please. Yes, this is the actual photo of our glass warehouse. This is situated about in 20,000 square feet. Next. Yes, the glass warehouse is fully automatic for loading and unloading of glass. This is the crane. The work is done automatically. No manual interference is required. Very minimum manual interference. Next. Yes, this is the actual photograph of our Dorma shop. This is the German company. This is the brand for glass hardware. All the spider fittings, spider glass facade and automatic sensor doors का display दिया हुआ है, and also the shower cubicles and all the display for the hardware is given here. Next, this is the actual photograph of our head office, Agrasan Square, fancy glass. We have displayed all the products from mirrors to glass, from hardware. All the displays given here. Next. Our main business associations are with Dorma and Saint Gobain. Next. Yes, in this pandemic situations, we have come up with Corona Glass Guard. This is the glass screen to protect oneself from contamination. It is it is portable. You can easily carry it from one place to another. It is easy to sanitize and it is clearly with, matlab you can connect to the person sitting right front of you easily. Uh, this is the picture of PWD office we have supplied there. Next, please. Next. So we have supplied to PWD, Railways, Kingsway, Neary, etc. Next. Due to this COVID-19, Dorma Kaba have introduced this swing door operators. It can be installed on our regular openable doors. So it is a pure automatic door. We don't have to just operate it. It is automatically operated like a normal sensor door. So this is a new product introduced by Dorma Kaba. Next. Yes, basically it is used in hospitals. You can use in laboratories, where in the cabins and in the front doors. Hello.
Yeah.
Uh, there is some problem in the screen, Anuga.
No, the
It is
presentation
visible.
started by Tasneem, sir. Tasneem, ma'am.
Okay. तस्नीम मैम, आपने प्रेजेंटेशन शेयर कर दिया है. आपने स्क्रीन शेयर कर दिया थी. तस्नीम
फैंसी
मैम
ग्लास का एक और प्रेजेंट करेंगे तो उनका वापस चालू हो जाएगा अनुराग.
या ओके 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 दैट्स डन नाउ.
Next. This is the Prime 9 building near Traffic Park. The whole work is structural glazing and elevation. Next. This is Nalandar Parisar, one of the biggest library in India, situated in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. The whole glass facade of DGU glass is done by us, and you are seeing the network, that is the Hunter Douglas work. This is the multi-level car parking. This is again lamination, glass lamination work. This is one of our biggest project. We have this is the cocoa white PVB sheet. This is the white you are seeing, that is all glass done in spider work. The spider glass facade is done here, and inside we have done 40 shop fronts, 400 shop fronts, and automatic sensor doors is there. Please next. Glass railings, shop fronts, all of this is done by us. This is one of the biggest projects done by us in Chhattisgarh. Next. This is again the spider facade, and glass elevation is done, and glass canopy. Yes, this is laminated glass, structural glass facades, and LED fittings are done inside the glass for the effect of this, for the screen effect. Next level mall, Amravati. Bridge Bhumi, CA Road. Das Dwellers. This is laminations with spider fitting. Okay, this is one of the prestigious project, RKM Power Plant, Raigad, Chhattisgarh. This is the glass box. Uh, the height is 12 feet, length is 30 feet, and depth is 18 feet. And also the canopy is done in glass. This is the whole glass box. They want their power supercomputers to be visible, so they want it done in fully glass. So yes, this is one of the prestigious projects done by us. Next, Maruti Suzuki Amravati, spider fittings, and sorry, and the white you can see inside, it is lacquered glass fittings. The whole showroom is of glass. Next, Harley Davidson. Next, Hyundai Chinwada, Karan Kothari Choro. The glass canopy and the spider fittings and all the cab counters and all have been done by us. Psychology, 3-storied Samsung. Yes, this is backlit LED mirrors. The plus points of this mirrors are you can see your face more clear. It is more clear and bright, and you can defrost it. मतलब इस पे पानी नहीं आता. There is a button here. To press it, the vapors will evaporate, and you can see your face very clearly and bright. It is because of it कि लाइट एकदम आपके चेहरे पे डायरेक्टली आती है. आपको ऊपर आपका कुछ लाइट रहता है तो वो इतना विजिबल नहीं रहता. इट इज वेरी demanding in beauty industries, in salons, in hospitals, as well as or in hotels and restaurants. Next, Okay, this is one of our projects done in New Airport Metro Railway Station. This is lacquered glass. The orange one you can see is the lacquered glass fitting. Shower cubicles. Frosted shower cubicles. Glass railings. Some of our shop fronts in Trillium Mall. Again, glass railings. Our major clients. We have just completed a work of Royal Electricals on CA Road. So the photos are yet to be uploaded. Thank you. This is once again Masooma Musa from Fancy Glass Stores. For any queries, please contact me. Thank you.
Thank you, Masooma ji. Very nice presentation.